Hi, my name is Dale. I've written an Android app called Notes and Bookmarks, and I'd like to show you how to use it. You've created and edited a note for Fred Flintstone, complete with his picture and a link to his Wikipedia page. But it seems like a lot of steps to go through to get it done. Maybe there's a way to get to the same result with a little less effort. First, let me make sure you know what Webview is. When an Android programmer wants to show you a web page, he or she has two options for doing that. One is to fire up the browser on your phone and tell it to display the page. Your app goes into the background while you look at the page in your browser. The other option is to display the page in Webview. The app stays in the foreground and you still see the page. Webview doesn't have all the functionality of a browser, but the app is still in control and can add functionality to the page that a browser would not provide because it doesn't know what the app is interested in doing. Webview will not do everything that a browser does, but it can do stuff that a browser would not. Anytime you use an app that seems to revolve around the web, the app is probably using Webview. Virtually any shopping app typically uses Webview to display web pages and take your money. Let's use Webview to create a note for Wilma Flintstone so Fred will not get lonely. First, open Fred's page. To open it in a browser, click on his icon. To open it in Webview, click and hold. And here we are in Webview. Notice the save icon in the bottom right corner and the browser icon in the upper right corner. You will be using both of those after a bit, but for now just use Wikipedia's search bar to bring up Wilma's page. Found it. Let's open it up. You already know that you want Wilma's image to be on her note. Webview won't download that for us, but it will let us open her page in a browser that will. Click on the browser icon in the upper right, and Webview will open the page you are already on in your default browser. Here you are in the browser. Press and hold Wilma's image just like you did Fred's. We select Download Image. Once the image is downloaded, we click on the back button at the bottom left to go back to Webview. Webview won't download images for you, but it will let you select text. Copy the first paragraph of Wilma's Wikipedia page. You are ready to tell Webview to create Wilma's note for you. Click on the save icon at the bottom right. Note created. We click on our back button to take a look. Notice that the text you copied from the Wikipedia page appears in the body of the note. All that's left is to add the image you downloaded. Click on the note title to open its menu. Select Edit. Expand the header. Click on the icon to replace it with a downloaded image. Choose Wilma's image. Save the note. Now Fred won't get lonely. Go to dalereed.net/notes or click on the link in the description below to download the app.